Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to make baby boy wall decor, and it's going to be woodland themed, and I'm going to use all these items you see here. Everything's from Dollar Tree except for the apple barrel paint, which is gray. They didn't have that at Dollar Tree. But keep watching and I will show you how it turns out. So the first thing I did was pull the animals off of the little wooden stand that they came on. Sometimes they just kind of pop right off of there, and sometimes you got to pull them back and forth, and then they still pretty much just pop right out. And here is how my woodland themed baby boy wall decor turned out. I think it's super cute. I love the colors. It's going to go on a gray wall, so the colors couldn't be more perfect. Pretty much just painted my animals. I did paint the arrow white, and I used my Cricut machine, cut out the word adventure awaits along with that little teepee, hot glued my animals to the canvas, and that's it. It cost me $5 to make all of this. That's gonna end my video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.